It's a man-made lake. Now, do you think the Fowl Trust is a wetland?
Yes.
No?
No.
Yes.
You making it a
The
wetland?
Fowl Trust is a wetland. Any area where the main and primary factor is surrounded by water is considered a wetland. And we have to remember wetlands are very important in the environment. It's a place where the birds can find food, where they can meet their young, where they can find shelter, and also for us. Let's take for example when we have heavy rainfall. If we did not have a wetlands to collect that extra water and release it at the right time, of course we will have more floods. And of course that's where we get all our shell food, all our fishes and crabs and prawns. And it's a place where the scarlet ibis roost, including other birds. So wetlands are very important in the ecosystem. Now the area we are in, children, I want to ask you a question. Do you think trees are important?
Yes.
Yes. Trees are very important. The most important thing we get from trees is what? Air, oxygen that gives us life. So without trees, we will not be here. And of course, we get all the paper and what else? Wood to give us furniture, helps to keep the soil together, to prevent soil erosion, and so many other things, medicine and so on. So today, because it's a very big group, I want everybody to listen in at this point. You are welcome to touch a paper tree today. Before you touch that tree, I want you to remember it's only one tree we have like this. So you're welcome to touch. You can hug it if you like, but do not strip or tear anything from this tree. Now before we touch the tree, I want you to look at this tree. This tree is called the frangipani. And a lot of us have the white ones at home, the hybrid frangipani. And at a certain time of the year, a big fat caterpillar gets into the tree and eats all the leaves. Now you do not have to cut your tree down. What happens is, they choose this particular tree because the leaves are poisonous. So when they eat the leaves, they become poisonous. So no other insects or animals will eat them, and then they can mature and turn into something called the sphinx moth. So it's not a butterfly, it's a moth. And then the leaves grow back. So it's a symbiotic relationship between the tree and the caterpillar. It's a form of protection for them. Think about life. Anything we do in this life comes back to us. Things that we take for granted. Sometimes we have certain animals and certain trees, and we would think they don't have a purpose. Everything has a purpose. It's just sometimes we don't.